name real quick, man?
Bobby.
Could you tell me what's in here first?
I got 8, don't laugh, 8 Champion Series Pioneers. I've got 4 8701s, 800 watts apiece. And of course I got my little missing highs right there, 6.5.
Yep.
This is definitely a budget build.
Yes, sir.
I do have a 40 amp hour Yingling that I bought or put together, whatever.
What kind of tuning are you at?
It's high. I built it on a box program. It was supposed to peak high 50s.
Yes, sir.
Maybe 60.
Yeah.
But by the time the in-car response, it pushed it up, I'm peaking at 67.
67? Okay.
That's real high, but it's very musical. It don't play low.
Yes, sir.
But it's musical.
All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man.
I just recently took the seat out, so it's messing with my ground over there a little bit for the mids and highs. But
Did you take the seat out to work on it, or?
I started doing it, because I had to put the threaded rod in.
Oh, yeah.
The baffle's pretty good, but the back was vibrating a little too much.
Yes, sir.
So I threw the threaded rod in there and I took the seat out to do that.
Yep.
But testing it on my SPL lab, it's a few tenths louder without that seat, I think.
Oh, okay. Can I see the amp? Is it in the back, or?
Yeah. You come on this side.
Okay. Nice. It's in the back. Oh, it's a tight fit back there.
Yeah. Well, see, I relocated the gas tank to give me the height I needed.
Yeah.
And right
what
now,
is this? Is this to help dampen the sound?
Right.
That's a good idea. I've never seen people do that.
Look, I learned that trick in the 90s.
Oh, yeah?
But I still get more sound behind the box than what I want.
Yes, sir.
But right now the gas tank's in the trunk.
Okay.
But once we get done with it, we're going to be putting it where the spare tire wheel is.
Yes, sir.
Then I can seal it off completely from the inside of the car.
Thank you, man. Nice to meet you. Nice work. I like it, man. Different. Yes, sir. Hey, you have a good day.
Look, get the shirt.
Pioneer. All right. Wow, dude, that's
real with your down on.
That's different. I like it.
What's on your schedule? Battery pack, boy, you elevate. All this cake, it's time to celebrate. Tell them wait. Hold up. I gotta check my schedule.
Insert cloud token.
Where's my goddamn...
Insert.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.